Hey guys, so for Team Activity 5 this week, I'm going to go over to show you how to get the instructor solution working on your end. So you cannot just see the solution right here in the code, but actually be able to pull it up and run it locally on your own server. Okay, so one of the things to notice is the branch that it's in. Okay, so we're in the Sleep Outside repository. Okay, from matcat99, right? You'll notice it has a bunch of branches in here. Okay, so the solution for this week is right here, v3-team5. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come back to the main screen of the repository, and you're going to click on code, and then you're going to copy and you're going to clone the entire repository. Okay, so you're going to then come to VS Code. Okay, and on this welcome page you'll notice the option to clone git repository. Okay, so you just click on that, you paste this in here, and then hit enter. Okay, I'm just going to put this in my desktop and put it right there. Alright, so now we're inside the repository. We got all the documents access that we need. You can see that we are connected to the repository right here, and we're on the main branch. So what we're going to want to do now is open our terminal. Okay, and then we're going to say git checkout, and then we're going to type in that branch v3-team5. Okay, so this will take us out of main and into this branch that we're looking at. Okay, and so now you can see we're in v3-team5. Okay, so now what you want to do is you're going to want to do your npm install, right? Because we don't have our node modules here. Alright, and then we're going to do npm run build. Alright, so we have this error here. It's saying that there's some issue with source product listing index HTML. Okay, now since we were doing a build and we had an error, you always want to look at the vconfig file. Okay, because this is what it uses to build. And when inspecting this, right, we see that we have source product listing index HTML. And if we come to our source, we actually notice there isn't a product listing folder. There's only a product list folder, right? So I'm simply just going to change this to product list. It looks like that was just a little typo left in the teacher solution. Okay, so then I'm going to do run build again, and we see that works. Okay, so now I got my build. I can do npm run start. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. Just hit O. And here's the teacher solution. Okay, so let's check it out. We click on tense. We should... Oh wait, we don't get any tense. Alright, well let's see what's going on. If we do Control-Shift-I, we see there's an uncaught promise syntax error, unexpected token. Okay, it's not valid JSON. Okay, so that is a little confusing. What I found out what was going on is they do not have the .env file. It simply just says .sample. And so if we can change this to .env, let's see if that fixes it. Okay, it should have said something. So let's try something else. I don't know if that, well, let's see if real quick if it did anything, but it didn't say anything changed when I did that, so that's why I'm a little hesitant. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything happened. Okay, so let's try this. Let's undo that, and let's go click on here and hit save as, and then go to, and then just type .nv and hit save. Alright, so now you see this message. This is a good message. You want to see this. .nv changed, restarting server. Okay, and now if we go back to our server, we can see all our tents are there, right? And everything is working great. Okay, so now you can see after those few steps, you can see how they have everything lined up on the site, right? Your tents. You can see how you can click on each tent and get the product details. You can see all the other ones, the sleeping bags, and likewise their product details and everything. So this way you can go ahead and inspect the code and get an understanding more of what the code is doing. You can even come in here and, you know, look at it this way through your inspector tool. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. I thought that was really cool, so I was like, hey, I should make this into a video. So let me know what you think and if this helps. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Bye.